Good morning. I come to bring you a story that will fascinate you. In a place called Rivera Huila, there was a girl who longed to find food. Prince Charming, but who had seemed more distant every day due to her physical appearance. She felt very ugly compared to the other women around her. Over time, she was present with a trip to the municipality of Rio Blanco, Tolima. She was ended up weighing from AFDAP contra Rio Transport Company. She, childhood Prince Charming, but by in that distance, there began that beautiful love story of that girl who eventually they married, had children, and lived happily ever after. Thank you, teacher.